Welcome to AI Interview Questions and Answer.
What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. The capability of a machine to imitate the intelligent human behavior. What are the different types of AI? Reactive machines AI, based on present actions, it cannot use previous experiences to form current decisions and simultaneously update their memory. Example, Deep Blue. Limited memory AI, used in self-driving cars. They detect the movement of vehicles around them constantly and add it to their memory. Theory of mind AI, advanced AI that has the ability to understand emotions, people and other things in the real world. Self-aware AI, AIs that possess human-like consciousness and reactions. Such machines have the ability to form self-driven actions. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI, general-purpose AI, used in building virtual assistants like Siri. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, also known as Strong AI. An example is the Pillow robot that answers questions related to health. Artificial Superhuman Intelligence, ASI, AI that possesses the ability to do everything that a human can do and more. An example is the Alpha 2, which is the first humanoid sea robot. Explain the different domains of artificial intelligence. Machine learning, it's the science of getting computers to act by feeding them data so that they can learn a few tricks on their own, without being explicitly programmed to do so. Neural networks, they are a set of algorithms and techniques, modeled in accordance with the human brain. Neural networks are designed to solve complex and advanced machine learning problems. Robotics, robotics is a subset of AI, which includes different branches and application of robots. These robots are artificial agents acting in a real-world environment. An AI robot works by manipulating the objects in its surrounding, by perceiving, moving and taking relevant actions. Expert systems, an expert system is a computer system that mimics the decision-making ability of a human. It is a computer program that uses artificial intelligence, AI, technologies to simulate the judgment and behavior of a human or an organization that has expert knowledge and experience in a particular field. Fuzzy logic systems. Fuzzy logic is an approach to computing based on degrees of truth rather than the usual true or false, 1 or 0, Boolean logic on which the modern computer is based. Fuzzy logic systems can take imprecise, distorted, noisy input information. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, refers to the artificial intelligence method that analyzes natural human language to derive useful insights in order to solve problems. How is machine learning related to artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a technique that enables machines to mimic human behavior, whereas machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It is the science of getting computers to act by feeding them data and letting them learn a few tricks on their own, without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning is a technique used to implement artificial intelligence. What is deep learning? Deep learning imitates the way our brain works, i.e., it learns from experiences. It uses the concepts of neural networks to solve complex problems. Any deep neural network will consist of 3 types of layers. Input layer. This layer receives all the inputs and forwards them to the hidden layer for analysis. Hidden layer. In this layer, various computations are carried out and the result is transferred to the output layer. There can be n number of hidden layers, depending on the problem you are trying to solve. Output layer. This layer is responsible for transferring information from the neural network to the outside world. Deep learning works. Deep learning is based on the basic unit of a brain called a brain cell or a neuron. Inspired from a neuron, an artificial neuron or a perceptron was developed. A biological neuron has dendrites which are used to receive inputs. Similarly, a perceptron receives multiple inputs, applies various transformations and functions and provides an output. Just like how our brain contains multiple connected neurons called neural network, we can also have a network of artificial neurons called perceptrons to form a deep neural network. Artificial neural networks. feed-forward neural network. The simplest form of ANN, where the data or the input travels in one direction. The data passes through the input nodes and exit on the output nodes. This neural network may or may not have the hidden layers. Convolutional neural network. Here, input features are taken in batch-wise like a filter. This will help the network to remember the images in parts and can compute the operations. Mainly used for signal and image processing. Recurrent neural network RNN, long short-term memory. Works on the principle of saving the output of a layer and feeding this back to the input to help in predicting the outcome of the layer. Here, you let the neural network to work on the front propagation and remember what information it needs for later use. This way each neuron will remember some information it had in the previous time step. Autoencoders. These are unsupervised learning models with an input layer, an output layer and one or more hidden layers connecting them. The output layer has the same number of units as the input layer. Its purpose is to reconstruct its own inputs. Typically for the purpose of dimensionality reduction and for learning generative models of data. What do you understand by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is computer science technology that emphasizes creating intelligent machine that can mimic human behavior. Here intelligent machines can be defined as the machine that can behave like a human, think like a human, and also capable of decision making. It is made up of two words, artificial and intelligence, which means the man-made thinking ability. With artificial intelligence, we do not need to pre-program the machine to perform a task. Instead, we can create a machine with the programmed algorithms, and it can work on its own. Why do we need artificial intelligence? The goal of artificial intelligence is to create intelligent machines that can mimic human behavior. We need AI for today's world to solve complex problems, make our lives more smoothly by automating the routine work, saving the manpower, and to perform many more other tasks. Give some real-world applications of AI. There are various real-world applications of AI, and some of them are given below. Google search engine. When we start writing something on the Google search engine, we immediately get the relevant recommendations from Google, and this is because of different AI technologies. Ride-sharing applications. Different ride-sharing applications such as Uber uses AI and machine learning to determine the type of ride, minimize the time once the car is hailed by the user, price of the ride, etc. Spam filters in email. The AI is also used for email spam filtering so that you can get the important and relevant emails only in your inbox. As per the studies, Gmail successfully filters 99.9% of spam mails. Social networking. Different social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. use the AI technology for different purposes such as face recognition and friend suggestions. When you upload a photograph on Facebook, understanding the contextual meaning of an emoji in Instagram, and so on. Product recommendations. When we search for a product on Amazon, we get the recommendation for similar products, and this is because of different ML algorithms. Similarly, on Netflix, we get personalized recommendations for movies and web series. What are the different domains/subsets of AI? AI covers lots of domains or subsets, and some main domains are given below. Machine learning, deep learning, neural network, expert system, fuzzy logic, natural language processing, robotics, speech recognition. What is the intelligent agent in AI, and where are they used? The intelligent agent can be any autonomous entity that perceives its environment through the sensors and act on it using the actuators for achieving its goal. These intelligent agents in AI are used in the following applications: information access and navigations such as search engine, repetitive activities, domain experts, chatbots, etc. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like.